Hi, I'm Audrey Starace. I am the theater director here at Locust Grove Middle School. I'm also the theater teacher. I have two children. I have a 20-year-old that attends Renown University, and she is actually getting her BFA in musical theater, and that is how I got my love of musical theater and theater in general. I also have a 12-year-old son that is going into sixth grade this year here at Locust Grove Middle School, and you'll see him in the hallways. So I'll tell you a little bit about what you are going to be learning in my class. We'll start out with theater history, and you'll learn about medieval theater and Greek theater and a few other little things here and there. I'll leave some intrigue for you. We're going to learn about characterization and script writing. And then we'll get into the technical theater aspect of it, which is probably my favorite part. And that involves sets and props and lights and sound and costume design, stage managing, and directing. Then we'll move into performance, and that's the part that actually tells the story. And it involves plays and musicals and puppetry, and it's many other ways that you can actually tell a story, like poetry and different things like that. We'll be exploring the many different sides of theater, and I'm hoping that even though we are going to be starting this journey, remote learning, that I can find different and exciting ways that I can keep you engaged. My expectations for you are to remain engaged in this journey that we're going to be starting together. You know, I'll be posting the lessons, and I expect for you to complete them in a timely manner. I expect for you to reach out to me if you're struggling in any way so that we can find a better way for you to be able to complete these lessons, or I can explain them in a better way. I expect you to arrive to class on time and remain in class. Communicate with me via email or through the Google Classroom, or in whatever methods that the district does provide for us. So I'm hoping that we do have a fabulous year. I'm hoping that the remote learning does not last long, because this is a hands-on class, and I do hope that we have a fabulous journey, and we end up having as much fun as that I plan on having, and that by the end of this class, you end up loving theater as much as I do.